What if every time you focused, you planted a tree?
What if our struggle to pay attention could actually heal the planet? Hi, I'm Dennis. I'm an app developer and clothing brand founder. But here's what worries me the most. Every night, walking around the dorm and around the library, I see one common theme: the failure to focus. Traditional study methods just didn't seem to stick.
I'm Emlyn. I've lobbied for climate policy around Boston, and another frustration hits me as well. Climate action just seems too big and too far away for us students.
Wait, so you're telling us that there's a climate crisis out there and an attention crisis in here?
And we're told that these are two separate crises. So we asked,
what if focus could be restorative?
Night after night, we'd see it. Students setting timers, then checking their phones countless times before it finished. Pomodoro, Forest App, and Flora, they all don't treat distraction the same way we do.
and at the same time, we'd hear friends talk about climate headlines worldwide. Donating felt distant, action felt ineffective and time-consuming. There was a gap.
Then we realized the problem isn't willpower, it's meaning. What if every minute of concentration actually rebuilt something in the real world?
This is Arboris.
As you focus, you grow your forest, gamifying your study experience. In the Forest tab, you can see your digital forest. The longer you focus, the more your tree will grow.
This system encourages users to come back and continue growing their forest.
When you complete a session, Arboris doesn't just say good job. It converts your focus into verified tree planting through our reforestation partners.
What if a focus app could tell when your body is ready to focus? We implemented a prototype biometric tracker into Arboris, which can be connected to, for example, an Apple Watch.
Heart rate variability, or HRV, is used to not only track stress, but also focus, and it's your body's readiness signal. With a scale of 1 to 100, HRV is measured by most modern-day fitness watches.
Let's say you set a timer for 25 minutes. When Arboris senses a low HRV, it recommends a shorter time. When sensing a high HRV, it recommends a higher time. But here's what excites us the most. It isn't just individual, it's collective.
Students can grow a forest together. Companies can reforest areas in their name. Suddenly, focus becomes collaborative. Competition becomes about who can restore the most.
Let's talk scale. One student studying a minimum of 30 hours a year will equal 6 trees planted. A school of 1,000 students will equal 6,000 trees planted. And 100 schools will equal a total of 600,000 trees planted. That's not just carbon capture. That's jobs for local communities, restored habitats, and most of all, hope for everyone.
We're building bridges to Apple Health, Google Fit, Whoop, and others, to school learning management systems, to corporate environmental, social, and governance platforms. Arboris isn't just another app. It's a connective tissue between personal growth and planetary restoration.
Our generation refuses to choose between success and sustainability. We demand tools that reflect our values. That's why we build this.
We're not just building an app. We're building a movement where every minute of focus matters, for your mind and for all planet.
Grow your forest.
Grow your focus.
Join Arboris.